Hello, my food loving friends, and welcome back. Today we're using the frozen pesto that we made in a previous video to make these delicious pesto pasta meals. So here we'll be making pesto pasta with burrata cheese. You know that it's one of my favorite. And then we'll be making pesto pasta with chicken and kale sausage. And then we'll be making pesto pasta the traditional way with grated Parmesan cheese. So this is going to be a fun video, and I'm going to teach you how to make these three meals. So let's make pasta. And there we have it, my food lovers. Our pesto pasta is ready. Now it's time for us to move on and cook the sausage. Okay, my food lovers, so we're gonna add oil to a very hot skillet, and then we're gonna add our sausages straight from the package. We're not doing anything fancy here. We're doing quick and easy. And then we're gonna thoroughly cook our sausages, because if you have the kids eating it, or just cook your sausages thoroughly, because here we're cooking chicken and kale sausage. And if you've not tried chicken and kale, you should try it. Now add your pesto pasta to a dish, right? And then we're gonna slice our sausages. Look at this beautiful slicing job here. And then we're gonna put it on top of our beautiful pesto pasta dish with some fresh Parmesan cheese. And look at that, it was that easy. We're having pesto pasta with chicken and kale sausage. So that's your dish number one. So now we're gonna move on to our delicious pesto pasta with Parmesan cheese. Look at that. You plate your pesto pasta, and then you just literally grate Parmesan cheese over it. That's a quick and easy one. This one is literally a 10-minute meal. There you go. And now we're gonna move over to my favorite. We're gonna now add the pesto pasta with the Parmesan cheese, and then we're gonna add burrata. Look at that. We are making pesto pasta fancy. Have you ever had burrata? If you've never had burrata cheese, you should try it. Look at that beautiful, delicious, soft center. When you mix all this into that pesto pasta, ooh, you finish it with some nice olive oil. Now, my friends, I just gave you 3 quick and easy pesto pasta meals, and I do hope you'll try them. I do hope you'll watch the videos below that will teach you how to make pesto, how to store pesto, so you can make these delicious meals. Okay, my friends, so we just made pasta We just used the frozen pesto from previous videos that we made about making pesto and freezing it for the future use. And I just showed you how to make 3 quick and easy pesto meals. So we made burrata and pesto pasta. We made sausage and pesto pasta. And we made a traditional pesto pasta with Parmesan cheese. So until next time, my food loving friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.